Shake it. Woohoo! Get that spaceship. Get it. Get it, Joe. Oh, it went away. Yes. You're good at this game. You gonna push the button? What'd you do? What'd you do?
Go play the Wii.
He wants to see it now.
Go play the Wii.
Joe, look what you did. Push the button. Push the button and shake it. Yay!
Be careful. Don't hit yourself in the head again. Hi.
Good job.
Wow. Good job, Joe. Oh, okay, you want to...
Push the button.
You going to play the Wii? You going to push buttons? It's not exactly how you do that, Joe.
Joe, push a button. Good job.